Hello everyone, John Wilson here at Johnson RV, located here in Medford, Oregon. I want to get a chance to talk about this beautiful 2024 Roadtrek Play here for you off the ProMaster chassis. Really nice interior and exterior floor plan, providing a lot of new safety features too, like keyless entry, push button start, 10-inch display with navigation, of course, a full digital cluster. But inside the coach itself is a really nice floor plan. The Play is a nice shorter option here for you. A really nice interior and exterior design. Roadtrek is all imported from Canada. They really focus on the nice quality and craftsmanship throughout. One thing I do like is the power awning steps to get inside here for you, and just the simplicity of this coach itself. You do get a really nice bathroom here, and they use the same mechanism to lock it. The reason why, because it works. They've been using it for a long time. They do give you a nice fiberglass piece shower here for you, porcelain toilet. As we close this and lock it up here, it's very easy to get main access to the cabin with additional storage up above. As we come back here, you're going to have a nice counter space with your 2-stove-top gas burner, along with your drop-in stainless steel sink and your stainless steel appliancing. You can spray things outside, use an outdoor shower if you want in the front portion of the coach. You do have your full control systems on. I do have the battery system on along with your inverter. That's going to have the microwave. You'll probably notice a little humming noise. It's very quiet. You have your onboard AC unit, which right now it's physically going. I do like the solid wood cabinetries. That does have a nice wardrobe closet space there for you. Best portion, it does lock into place there for you, so nothing's going to slide open as you drive. You do have onboard solar LED lighting system. Nice refrigerator combo here for you. Keep everything nice climate controlled. It's one of the bigger fridges I've seen in some of the B-Van lineup here for you. Best thing about Roadtreks too is they focus on all the fresh water tanks. It's going to be one of the biggest water tanks out there in a lot of the van market. You do have your rear sofa lounge. Control system is located right here underneath. Now this one does have some of the upgrade options like your solar, your entertainment center back here. But if you have any questions, come down here at Johnson RV, ask for John. I'll be happy to take care of you.